Good afternoon.
In numbers ko yun, I think
May natirang paksiw. Pritong dalagang bukid. Ito yung juice na carrots, cucumber, tsaka mansanas. Ginawa kanina sa juice maker. Ito yung kulay niya.
Anyway, ilan ang ghost projects nito? Ito yung this is a process of validation. Do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? And there were ghost projects. You think so? Yes. Saan yun? Well,
May sinabi ko.
mentioned in my statement. There are
Higain puti yata eh.
Hmm?
Isang puti, dalawang brown.
Dalawang brown.
Ano ginawa mo?
Isang puti, dalawang brown. Lamang naman yung brown.
Tatlong taka lang na tubig.
Nga.
Implemented in 2021 and 2020.
Ilang oras mo inuman? Baka kulang sa inyo.
Di, 50 na yan.
Ayos na to, minsan naman matigas eh.
So pag nagluto ka, tigas eh.
Just lately, Your Honor, so even so, when did you assume as secretary?
Pag damihan mo naman tubig yan, di yan lalata kasi ano yan eh.
So you believe that
Isip-sipin ng basmati.
Well, Your Honor, at the central office, we are relying actually on our budget monitoring information that comes to us, unless it's going to be validated as to the field. So you said siguro meron mga ghost projects. Who informed you na meron mga ghost projects? But there are already information sa that coming up. Yes. Who in particular informed you that there are? There are people in the
Sa lahat ng isdang gusto ko yung dalagang
and
bukid.
how do they know that meron mga ghost projects? There are people.
Masarap din to Shanghai eh.
These are the projects that we are now intensively
Yung talagang original na Shanghai. Dalagang bukid yun ang original na Shanghai.
Malolos, and Magulay,
Di ba ginagamit? Galong kong.
that's good. Well, this is the information that we have received. And the contractor, allegedly, Wow Builders. That's correct, Your Honor. And SYNS Construction. Am I correct? I don't recall that name, Your Honor. Who is the owner of Wow Builders?
Wow.
Isn't it?
Si Bunuan, sekretary na ano yan eh. DPWH. May alam niya si Bunuan.
Another delay was
Sama nagnakaw yan.
Mayroong legitimate owner.
Ano, dati hindi man buong Bulacan binabahaan mo.
Mm.
Hindi naman dati binabahaan buong Bulacan eh.
Hanggang Pampanga.
I think you so
That's it. Thank you for watching.